is the middle elevator at the Peppermill in Wendover, Nevada. An Otis Series 1 with the music on it. There's music on it that's actually ever so quiet. Very interesting elevators, actually. They're pretty quick. Get a look at the cab in here. Got granite on the walls even. And it's all mirrors other than that. Very interesting. But the ceiling, you look at the ceiling and you can really see the age of this thing. Push P, we'll go right down to P. Very quick, but I imagine the floors are short or something. Right up to 4 again. Very shiny doors. And that's it.